So I am here to check your BP or blood pressure, and before we begin, I will ask for your permission to touch your upper arm to take your blood pressure, ma'am. Will it be okay?
Yes.
So this is a simple procedure. As we go along, I will explain every procedure for you, ma'am. Would you mind if I proceed?
No.
Before I will proceed, ma'am, I will showing you the equipment that I will be using. So first is I will be using the sphygmomanometer or the blood pressure cuff, and then second will be the stethoscope. So now, ma'am, I will be starting the procedure. So I will be rolling up your shirt. Putting the sphygmomanometer. So if you feel any discomfort, ma'am, feel free to tell me so that I will assist you. Checking for your pulse, ma'am. So, when is your last BP, ma'am?
I can't seem to remember, but it was around last week.
So, do you know what is your BP?
It's 128.
Since you already know your last BP, ma'am, so I will not check for your palpatory systolic blood pressure. So now I will use the stethoscope to check for your blood pressure. So I'll be checking I have assessed, ma'am, your blood pressure is around 120/75. So it's in the normal range. So just maintain your body healthy, ma'am, so that your blood pressure will